Hello everyone, my name is Hans and today I will show you how you can build a Telegram bot with a ChatGPT integration. What we are going to need is VS Code or any other IDE, Python and an account on OpenAI. So let's do this! So open your IDE and create a file named telegram-bot.py, or you can name it whatever you want. We are going to use a package called python-telegram-bot, and this is a wrapper that will help us so that we can easily create a Telegram bot. So we install this package by typing in the terminal pip3 install python-telegram-bot, and after that we paste in the boilerplate code that you can find in the description at GitHub. And here we have the main function, so the entry point of the script, and it's going to start an application. And then we register two handlers. The first one is the command handler, as you can see here with the command /start, and this start function will take care of this command. So in this case, if you type in /start, the bot will respond, "I'm a bot, please talk to me." Or you can define any other command you wish and define it with the command handler. And then we have the echo handler, and this is a message handler, and this is the function that will handle the response of our bot. So it's handling the user input and the output to the user. And here with the update.message.text we can get what the user typed in, and at the moment we only return what the user typed. So, but before we can test our bot, we need to gain the Telegram API token from Telegram. So let's get this token. Visit the Telegram website, telegram.org, and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. After the login, search for BotFodder. This is a special bot provided by Telegram that will help us to create and manage bots. Once you found BotFodder, open the chat and click on Start to initiate a conversation. BotFodder will guide you through the process of creating a new bot. After successfully creating the bot, BotFodder will provide you the API token that we need, so make sure to copy this. Okay, now it's time to start and test our bot. Therefore, we type in the terminal python-3 telegram-bot.py. So our bot is running now, and now we can move again to Telegram, and in here we jump directly to our bot, and from here, our bot is now working. As expected, we are getting back exactly what we typed in. So we now have created a Telegram bot that is working and returning the user's input. What we now need to do is to modify the logic and to integrate the ChatGPT client, and also getting the API token from OpenAI, also placing this token as we did it with Telegram into the environment file. And then we need to combine these two things, the Telegram bot and the ChatGPT integration. So let's do this. Now back in VS Code, we create a new file. I will call this one chatgpt_client.py. And now we paste in the code that you can find in the description. But before we can use this code, we need to install the OpenAI Python package, and we do this by typing into the terminal pip install OpenAI. And with this package, we can easily call the ChatGPT API. What's happening here is that we first load this module, then we load the environment, and from the environment we get our OpenAI key and provide it to the module. Here we have our function request ChatGPT that is taking the user's input as a parameter. Then we pass this parameter over to the OpenAI chat completion create function. We specify also here the model that we want to use. And in here into the message array, we pass in the concrete user's input from Telegram. And then we return the concrete response from ChatGPT back. This is wrapped in a try catch. So if anything should happen here, we print out the error and return, in case of an error, just an empty string. So now let's move to the environment file again and set this key here, just like we did with the Telegram API token. The entry is OpenAI. So getting the API token from OpenAI is pretty simple. You just need to open the website platform.openai.com and then go here and click on your badge. and here a few API keys, create a new one, give it a name, and then there you get the key that we need to pass over to the environment file in VS Code. So we passed in here the code that we just received. And now the last part that we need to do is to connect these two. So here in the Telegram bot, what we now need to do is to import the function. And we can do this like the other above here. From ChatGPT client, import request ChatGPT. And here in our echo function, what we now need to do is to declare a new variable. I will call this one just answer, and yeah, with the user's input that we get from update.message.text, like here, and instead echoing back what the user typed in, we just return the answer. Nice. And that's it. We start our Telegram bot again by typing in Python telegram-bot. So let's test our bot again. Yes, and you can see we got the answer from ChatGPT. Nice. So that's it for today's video. We've learned how to create a Telegram bot and integrate it with ChatGPT. You can use this as a starting point for your business ideas. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And in the next video, we are going to build an Airbnb chatbot that is based on custom data. So if you find this interesting, then don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.